Java is a versatile programming language used in various applications. From mobile apps, especially Android apps, to desktop applications, web applications, and even games, Java has a broad range of uses. It is also employed in application servers, web servers, and database connections. This versatility makes Java a go-to language for developers looking to build robust and scalable applications across different platforms. Java has been a popular programming language for many years. It is object-oriented, meaning it organizes software design around data or objects rather than functions and logic. However, it isn't considered purely object-oriented because it supports primitive data types like integers and characters. This blend of object-oriented principles with practical flexibility has contributed to Java's enduring popularity among developers. Java code is first compiled into machine-independent bytecode. This bytecode is then executed on the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, regardless of the underlying architecture. Java's syntax is very similar to C and C++, but it does not provide low-level programming functionalities like pointers. Java code is always written as classes and objects, making it easier to maintain compared to languages like C++. Java is extensively used in mobile applications, particularly Android apps. The official Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, for creating Android apps is called Android Studio. Java developers can quickly construct apps using Android's APIs. For web applications, Java provides excellent tools and an IDE for creating modern, high-performing web applications. Frameworks like Spring enhance Java's capabilities in web development. Java is not just for web and mobile. It is also used for desktop applications and game development. Its multi-threaded nature and platform independence make it an excellent choice for creating cross-platform games. Java's event-driven architecture and rich ecosystem of tools and libraries provide a strong foundation for developing reliable and engaging desktop applications and games. Java is a natural fit for big data applications. Core modules of big data tools like Hadoop, Mayhout, and Spark are written in Java. Organizations looking for big data proficiency often seek Java-skilled engineers. Java is also highly recommended for Internet of Things, or IoT, applications due to its platform-agnostic nature, adaptability, and ease of integration with other technologies. Java was originally developed for consumer electronics devices, but has since become the industry standard for mobile and web application development. Its ability to run on any computer platform without modification makes it highly portable. Java applications are converted into bytecode, allowing them to run on any operating system that supports Java. This cross-platform capability is a significant advantage for developers. Java programs run faster than many other languages because they are written directly into native machine code. Java's security features protect programs from viruses, and its platform independence allows code to run anywhere. Oracle Corporation maintains Java, ensuring reliability and security. Java's excellent documentation and comprehensive ecosystem, including the Java Development Kit and Java Virtual Machine, make it easy to learn and use. Despite its many advantages, Java has some drawbacks. Its syntax can be complex and verbose, making it difficult to remember. Java programs often use more memory when running on the Java Virtual Machine. Additionally, programmers do not have control over Java's garbage collection, which can affect performance. However, the future of Java, especially in Android development, remains bright as demand for Java-skilled developers continues to grow.